Login failed on Benzinga Pro App Fix. You open the Benzinga Pro app to catch breaking stop news or scanner alerts, and instead, you get login failed. It's frustrating, especially if you depend on Benzinga for real-time market updates. But don't worry, here's exactly how to fix it fast. First, check your internet connection. Benzinga Pro depends heavily on live data streams, so any interruption can block login requests. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds to reset your connection. Next, check for app updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Benzinga Pro, and tap Update if available. Older versions sometimes lose compatibility when Benzinga updates its authentication systems. Now, re-enter your credentials manually. Avoid using autofill. It can save all passwords or include hidden spaces. Type your email and password carefully, then hit Login. If you've recently reset your password, make sure the new one is synced across your devices. If it still doesn't work, clear the app's cache. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Benzinga Pro Storage, clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears any temporary data that may be interfering with the login process. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily. Benzinga Pro sometimes blocks mass DIP addresses as a security measure. Finally, try logging in through the Benzinga Pro website. If it works there, but not in the app, reinstalling the app will almost always fix it. But if both fail, the servers may be undergoing a temporary maintenance window. These are usually resolved quickly. So next time your Benzinga Pro app says login failed, don't stress. A quick connection reset, app update, and cache clear usually do the trick. You'll be back streaming headlines, tracking movers, and catching opportunities before the market moves.